Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out a compact cooling solution that's perfect for small spaces, the GE 6000 BTU window air conditioner. If you're looking for a reliable air conditioner for a bedroom, dorm room, or small living space, this unit is designed to deliver efficient cooling without taking up too much room. Let's start with the cooling capacity. This air conditioner provides 6000 BTU of cooling power, which is suitable for rooms up to 250 square feet. That means it works well in small bedrooms, studio apartments, or home offices where you need consistent cooling during hot weather. Now let's talk about airflow and control. The unit comes with adjustable fan speeds and cooling settings, allowing you to customize the airflow depending on how hot the room is. Whether you want maximum cooling on a hot afternoon or a quieter airflow during the night, the settings help you control comfort easily. Pause for a moment and imagine walking into your room after a hot day and turning on the AC to feel cool air circulating within minutes. Another important feature is the easy installation kit. The AC includes a window mounting kit that allows quick installation into most standard windows. This makes it a convenient option for renters or homeowners who want a cooling system that doesn't require complicated installation. Next is the filtration system. The unit uses a removable and washable air filter, which helps capture dust particles and improves indoor air quality. Cleaning the filter regularly also helps maintain cooling efficiency. Now let's talk about design. This GE window air conditioner has a compact body with a modern black finish, making it suitable for contemporary rooms while still delivering strong cooling performance. Overall, if you need a simple, affordable, and reliable air conditioner for a small room, the GE 6000 BTU window air conditioner is a practical choice.